Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. First, let's turn our attention to the crude oil market. Following a fire at a nuclear power plant in the United Arab Emirates caused by a drone attack, coupled with ongoing disagreements between the US and Iran over the resumption of arrangements regarding the Strait of Hormuz, risk aversion has resurfaced in the market. On Monday, Brent crude rose as much as 1.2%, hitting a two-week high of $112.10 per barrel. Since the conflict began, Brent crude has gained nearly 50%. However, oil prices edged lower during Tuesday's Asian trading session. Trump's announcement that the military strike against Iran, originally scheduled for Tuesday, will be postponed slightly eased market tensions. Currently, Brent crude has retreated to around $109 per barrel, while WTI is trading at $102 per barrel. Although there has been a short-term pullback, oil prices are generally remaining at elevated levels until geopolitical risks are substantially alleviated. In terms of news, Trump said the delay was due to ongoing negotiations, with the core objective being to ensure Iran does not develop nuclear weapons. However, he also emphasized that if a final agreement cannot be reached, the U.S. military must remain prepared to act at any time. Iran has also taken a hardline stance, reiterating that if the state of war persists, it does not rule out opening new fronts, indicating that the ceasefire remains fragile. Additionally, the International Energy Agency warned that global commercial crude oil inventories are declining rapidly, with current stocks likely sufficient to sustain only a few weeks of supply. Even with the daily release of 2.5 million barrels from strategic reserves, it will be difficult to bridge the gap in the long term. Overall, while crude oil prices have cooled in the short term due to the U.S. postponement of strikes, they are expected to remain volatile at elevated levels amid the volatile situation in the Middle East, tight supply, and policy uncertainty. That concludes this episode. We'll see you next time.